This may be controversial, but I don't really care. What if Team 7 from the Naruto series is the best group within anime? I get it, that is a crazy hot take. But hear me out, because Team 7 has some type of weird chemistry that you know everyone amongst the group. I mean, you have the lonely fox boy that really wants to be loved and have some friends. Plus, the series is literally named after him. You have Mr. Emo that would do anything to sever any bonds he has. It's all about that revenge, baby. He does not care. The teacher Kakashi Sensei is the better masked version of the guy you would probably pick in this spot. I don't want to say anything else past that. And then, well, the last spot is a miss. I will not cap. But you know what? One miss doesn't matter because Team 7 is still that group. But I have a full video at which I can explain down there. Stop hating on Sakura though, y'all gotta chill.